In a place where coconut trees stretch endlessly, this land is known as the coconut capital of Vietnam. In Ben Tre, a region known as the coconut capital of Vietnam, high-quality coconuts are nurtured naturally.
Hello everyone, in my hand is a Nawon coconut water, and behind me, this is where the story of natural freshness begins. Let's explore it.
Each coconut not only guarantees quality, but also contains the hard work and love of the gardener.
Nawon maintains the strict control of the fruit selection and inspection to sorting, ensuring the consistent quality and the freshness in every can. And then from this coconut brew becomes the Nawon coconut drink can that you hold in your hand, cool, fresh, and reassuring every day.
Sourced from the Ben Tre region, coconuts are brought here for processing in a short time, preserving their natural flavor. Nawon always ensures transparency of origin and consistent quality, from the coconut farm to the refreshing can of coconut.